Welcome to the show. I'm Kathy Ireland. The internet has transformed commerce, and no business can afford to be without a robust, secure networking system for too long. Jesper Andersen and Bill McCarthy from Infoblox are here to talk about how their company optimizes secure cloud-managed network services. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
It's great to be here.
Jesper, who is Infoblox, and why is Infoblox important to the enterprise today?
So we're probably best known for our products and solutions around a networking area known as DDI. And if you don't mind me geeking out for a second here, the first D stands for DNS, or Domain Name Services. Think of it as the phone book of the internet, connecting a URL like www.google.com to an IP address, because otherwise you can't go to the website. The second D is DHCP, or Dynamic Host Communication Protocol. That's the protocol you use when you get an IP address, so obviously very critical as well. The I is IPAM, or IP address management, which is an application for managing these often millions of IP addresses that large companies have. So we are the market leader in this category known as DDI. We actually have over 50% market share in this category. These services are obviously very critical. If you can't get IP addresses or you can't go to a web page, then obviously you can't do much in a modern digital economy world today. So we like to think of that as DDI being as important as electricity and water.
And Bill, Infoblox is celebrating its 20th anniversary this year. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Appreciate
Can you
that.
tell us a bit about your customers?
So we have about 8,500 customers. If you were to profile where we are at our best, I would say when networks are really, really complex and they're very sophisticated, what we provide in terms of automation and some of the technologies that we use to help our customers, we make those networks run a little bit easier. And we're very proud of that. So more specifically, we're in 94 out of the Fortune 100. We're in almost all of the Global 2000, the Fortune 1000. But what we would probably tell you we're more pleased with is when you look at our customer sat scores, they're industry leading. They're so high. And what that tells us is we're building loyalty with our customers, and we're doing the right things that align to what's important to their businesses as this world moves to a whole digital marketplace, right?
We get a lot of repeat customers where someone has managed an Infoblox solution at a company ABC, and then they change jobs and move to somewhere else, and then they say, no, I need an Infoblox solution if I'm going to be responsible for this system here.
Infoblox was really the first company to commercialize a DNS appliance. It was a more reliable and more secure platform for offering DNS than the general purpose computers that we used to use. So before, they could resist DDoS attacks, but now they can actually be security tools, and they can identify, for example, when somebody's doing something malicious on your network.
Digital transformation is driving network transformation in our business. Networks are getting increasingly complex. They are more distributed, they are more dynamic, and we live in a more dangerous neighborhood. The need of the hour is for a company to come in and help simplify this complexity that we have introduced in the IT infrastructure. And we pride ourselves on relentlessly pursuing the ability to simplify the infrastructure for our customers.
Bill, digital transformation is not just about the IT platform. It often comes with a business model change. Can you tell us more about that?
It is the business model changing, and this is, in my opinion, the most interesting thing that's happening. I'm thankful for this time that we live in because there's so many changes that are unprecedented. And some companies aren't going to do that well. Some companies won't make it through this transition. We've had to take that on ourselves. We've changed the way our customers buy from us. We've built our own SaaS platform. We've launched our services and software in a different way, and we'll continue to do that. This digital transformation is in the early days, and I don't see it slowing down. I think it's an exciting time, but we're all going to be forced with modernizing our businesses in a different way.
And that brings up an interesting point about the changes in networking and cybersecurity. So can you explain what this concern is and how this impacts Infoblox?
Because of the cloud and because of things like mobile devices, applications like Workday and Salesforce and Office 365 lives different places. People are working around the clock. They're not confined to only their office. They're working on their devices, on mobile devices. And that means that the cyber terrorists also have different attack patterns that they can kind of jump into. The way Infoblox plays in that area is because of our technology around DNS, we have realized over the last several years that DNS plays a very key role in that cyber defense strategy. So Infoblox pioneered a set of technologies that are based around DNS and defends that. We're very specialized in that way. We call that our Blox One Threat Defense platform, and we have over 1,000 customers using that today.
Great. Jesper, what does the future hold for Infoblox and its customers?
I know how much networking is changing, and that's what we have been investing in. This new platform that we call Blox One is capable of delivering these DDI network services at an unprecedented scale and a level of scale that we've never seen in the industry before. And if we continue to serve our customers as well as we've done the first 20 years of our existence as a company, we will have an opportunity to add additional network services beyond these DNS and DHCP services, and I think that could bring unprecedented growth to our company.
Jesper and Bill, it sounds like Infoblox is on the front lines of network security in today's complex computing landscape. Congratulations, happy anniversary,
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Kathy.
Thank you. And thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.